I, Wiliame Katonivere, being appointed Chief Scout of Fiji, do solemnly swear that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the promise and laws of the Fiji Scout Association, so help me God. I, Wiliame Katonivere, being appointed Chief Scout, do swear that I will support and defend the Fiji Scout Association's Constitution, uphold the objectives of the World Scout Movement, and serve all Scouts in Fiji with fairness and compassion, so help me God.
On my honor, I will do my best.
I will do my best
To do my duty.
to do my duty
To God. And my country. To help other people. And to keep the Scout Group.
Three bravos for the Chief Scout. Bravo! 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 Bravo!
I am deeply honored and equally glad to welcome you all this morning to the State House, given that the last time an investor ceremony took place here was 6 years ago. I wish to acknowledge today's historical occasion as I assume the role of Chief Scout in Fiji, joining the ranks of my predecessors who had similarly honored during their respective tenure and served as Chief Scout with great dignity, courage, discipline, and perseverance. Scouting is the biggest youth movement in the world, with a membership of over 50 million. It started in Fiji 108 years ago. That we are proud that we approximately 10,000 boys and girls continue to uphold the scouting and spirit of love, peace, discipline, and respect of our school and communities. The principal objective and the aim of the Scout movement is to develop good citizenship amongst our young people by training them to become self-reliant, patriotic, and assist in the promotion and improvement of their physical, mental, and spiritual development. As Chief Scout, I encourage more of our young people to join the Scout movement in our schools. In this regard, I ask the Ministry for Education, Ministry of Youth and Sports, in supporting and ensuring the promotion of Scout movement in the schools and within our communities. Scouts mission in Fiji has over for a decade contributed to the education of young people through a value system based on the Scout promise and law. It also aims to build a better world where people are self-fulfilled as individuals and play a constructive role in society. Today, I recited the Scout Promise, which every Scout throughout the world makes as a reminder of their commitment to doing their best to God and country, and to helping other people. I pledge to uphold and value the very same promise. We are currently in an era of changing socio-economic circumstances and uncertain external factors affecting of how we relate and interact with one another. One such factor is the COVID-19 pandemic, with an ongoing climate change issues that we have been facing. As a result, many have lost loved ones, while others have lost their livelihood due to the closure of their business and unemployment. Schools and places of worship were closed for many months. Much needed and many mandated restrictions by the health authorities were imposed for the safety of our fellow citizens. We reflect on the spirit of our history to remind us of how our vulnerabilities as a global community and one human race were amplified. We are reminded that we are human and we need to look after one another for support. During such difficult times, we celebrate our determination as a people, as we are able to acclimatize ourselves to cope with the uncertainties that we face. This is a victorious spirit of Scout, to accept all situations, find a solution where one is required. It has brought the Scout values of patience, courage, trust, obedience, and camaraderie to practice. I wish to take this opportunity to thank you for helping government in reaching out to those in need by delivering food rations, learning materials for school children, and assisting medical authorities during the administration of the vaccination drives and many other services that the Scout Association continues to participate in. In conclusion, as we approach some normalcy, I encourage all Scouts to continue the great commitment of service to humanity and other activities in promoting the Scout movement. I personally assure you all that my explicit support and well wishes to the Fiji Scout Association and every success for the future. May the Almighty God bless us all and our beloved Fiji.